Hi, this is Sector Readings by Andre, where I do predictions of the future. If you'd like me to do a prediction for you, let me know in the comments below. Today we're talking about Bitcoin Gold. I think I did a video on this quite a while back. Now the question to me would be, will Bitcoin Gold be better than BTC or Bitcoin, as we all know? And the answer to that question is no, not for quite some time, as the entire system, our payment systems of the world, change to the worse in the next little while. People are going to be going for coins that they know, okay? And that's going to be Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, okay? They're going to be, people are going to be getting the coins that are easily accessible to the most amount of people. You have to remember 98% of the population does not know about cryptocurrencies, and if they have heard about cryptocurrencies, it's probably Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is probably going to be winning out for the next couple of years until people seem to need for Bitcoin Gold. It'll be those top three coins because it's the easiest to access through machines, because most of the people do not really know how to use online trading platforms and all that sort of thing. You have to remember the cryptocurrency community is fairly small. It's about 2 to 3% of the population. So Bitcoin Gold being on top of BTC is probably not going to be happening in the next 3 years. But there are some interesting things that I do see in the cards for Bitcoin Gold. Even now they had almost a 51% attack and all that other wonderful things that happens in the crypto community. They've been doing a lot of work behind the scenes to take that top spot and be ready for when the time does come. I do see the time coming for them in about 5 years, not to overcome BTC, because I think BTC is going to be fairly big for the next 25 years. Okay, that's going to be the coin that most people are going to be going to. And then you have Litecoin and Ethereum, which are probably the easiest coins to get. So if you're thinking of investing in any type of cryptos as your main portfolio, those would probably be the three coins to look at, okay? Though Bitcoin Gold is probably easiest to mine out of all three of those coins, because you can use a regular computer for mining those. But that takes technical skill, and most people on the planet don't have that technical skill. But it'll come out slowly, okay? As more and more people know and understand what cryptocurrencies are. So Bitcoin Gold doing a lot of building behind the scenes, getting ready for a large push. But for some reason in the cards, it's showing that it's going to be a lot of false starts for the next couple of years. It looks like everything's going to take off, and then it kind of gets stopped in mid-stride for whatever reasons. It could be technical problems or team members changing out. That happens quite a bit, actually, in these communities. But it will have a bit of a world presence, just not a very large one. Not like BTC, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, any of those coins, people will have easier access to. They're going to be facing a little bit of legal stuff coming up in the next 4 years, and people not understanding things. So if you're a Bitcoin Gold fan out there, make sure you're telling a lot of people, because it's word of mouth and advertising that gets the people to understand and know any of these new cryptocurrencies that don't really have any spotlight to them. Okay, hopefully this answers your questions. Drake coin, it's going to be around for quite some time. You're going to be making pretty good money with it. It's easy to mine, considering you don't need a whole room of miners, maybe a whole room of computers. I think you could probably do it on a old miners or something like that. But with that said, it's going to take some time for it to really take off. In the future, there's going to be this switch where everybody's going to be going and looking for other methods of preserving their income. And Bitcoin Gold will be one of them. Okay, hopefully this answers your questions. Always grateful for the people donating down below. Remember to get your 15 to 35% off Amazon purchases also down below. Check out my new Patreon page and remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the future.